So guys, I've got something really interesting for you guys to see. I have received my package from BlancSpace.com. They are an amazing phone company where they specialize in protective cases that come in, a majority of different styles. And guys, I think I've literally picked out the best case. I think that was actually on this website. They've got loads of other amazing cases, but I'm quite specific in what I like. They literally shipped this. I think they shipped it yesterday, and it literally came this quick. So guys, I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what's in there. I think they actually shipped 2 to me, guys. How lucky am I? So guys, this is what the packaging looks like inside. It's very well packaged, very professional, and you can clearly see it says Blanc Space. I've got some really good news for you guys. You're actually going to get some discount off your purchase, because I've got a discount code for you guys, and the discount code is actually KB20, and I'm going to be attaching it on the link below, and it's going to take you directly to the website with the direct link, and that's my personal code, guys. So don't forget to spread the word. Christmas is coming up. They've also got Black Friday sales. They've got a huge majority of different cases that suits everyone. So guys, I'm gonna unbox it, and as you can see, I've got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and guys, they're so professional, so welcoming, and yeah guys, I'm really pleased with them. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it comes with the wet wipe and a dry wipe for you to just clean your phone before placing your phone into the case. As you can see, it says Blanc Space. This case was made for you. And guys, they actually do specialized cases. So if you have any loved ones, if you want to give someone for Valentine's Day, Christmas, for their birthdays, for their anniversary, guys, they do it all. Trust me. Right, let's see. Oh. Okay, I think that's going to have to come out. So guys, this is the case that I specifically chose. And as you can see, it's quite it's got a 3D touch to it. And it says Blanc Space at the back. And I can't wait. I actually can't wait to see how my phone looks in this amazing case. So the other case, I think, is more the original. This one's more specialized. This is one of the more specialized cases. And this one is the traditional iPhone case, I believe. How cute is that? How cute is that? Guys, go and get your cases now. Christmas is coming up. Don't forget to use my code, because I want you guys to spoil yourself and make your phones look as pretty as possible.